Hi, I'm Anthony Coluca with Makino's EDM Applications Department. Today we're going to take a quick look at the back of our UX series machine. So if you see, we have a nice open design here. This is great for ease of access for some maintenance items. You can see we have a cube stack design with our axes. So at the bottom here we have our X, then we have our Y, U, Z, or V, and then finally Z at the top. Few fittings for greasing. So whenever you need to grease your axes, really quick and easy, just come in here with a grease gun, pump your grease fittings a few times, and you're good to go. One more thing I love about this machine is the wire bin is on rollers. So once your wire bin's full of dirty wire, we can simply roll this thing out, take all the wire to our scrap bin, and roll it back in. And that's how easy it is to access the back of our UX series machines and do any maintenance you need.